Good morning from Laconia. What's going on, guys? Today is day 2 of Laconia. Yesterday, me and Rob came up here and met up the guys at the house, and we actually took the local ways all the way up here to Laconia, and we started at 7:30 in the morning. We didn't get here till about 7 o'clock in the evening, but we did take our time, stopped, saw some cool places. But today the guys left already. Garage is empty, no bikes here except for me and Rob. Couldn't get up there early this morning, but I want to give a big thank you to Cycle Fanatics, Barbara CVO, Glenn and Gil for letting us stay here with you guys. So these guys went up to Mount Washington about 9 o'clock this morning. They left, and me and Rob are still here. So probably get something to eat first, and then we'll probably do Mount Washington also. So I'll take you for a ride. You know, I really want to put the vlogging setup on the helmet, but I really don't want to do it. But we'll see. I'll bring this camera along. All right. Let's go get some breakfast now. All right, welcome. We are climbing Mount Washington here in New Hampshire. Look at that beautiful view. Me and Rob here rode for almost 12 hours yesterday, and we couldn't get up this morning. I was so dead. We actually took all local roads up here, and yep, that's why we're behind in climbing Mount Washington here. But we are here now. We had a little breakfast, then we came basically straight here. We actually stopped at the White Mountain Harley dealer, and you know, Rob likes to collect pins, so that's what he did. So right now we're climbing the mountain. You actually, when you're at the bottom, you actually have to pay to get up the mountain. So at least, you know, they are using the money to, you know, keep this area clean, keep it pristine. So that's always a plus. Oh, sorry. There are a lot of mosquitoes up here, and I forgot my off, so that's terrible. There's a lot of people on bikes and cars coming up here. You can't hike up this road. You can't take a actual bike, like a pedal bike up here. So so far it's a beautiful road, and it seems like we are. Whew, there's a giant bug in front of my. Oh well, it seems like we're halfway up the mountain. But right before we got into the mountain, we actually pulled over, and you know, I wanted to set up my GoPro and the 360 camera. I actually didn't do a lot of filming yesterday, mostly from the 360. So watch out for that video. Well, I still have to put out last week's video of when I went to Bikes and Breakfast. So, you know, I'm a little behind, but you know what, we just passed the 4-mile mark. Look at that. Look at that view. This is really beautiful. Mountain range. Oh man. At that. Woo! This stuff is breathtaking right now, man. I've never done something like this, and wow, this is a car doing, bro? Good thing I brought the 360 camera, man, for moments like this. I mean, literally, I have to pay attention on this road because this guy in front of me isn't going that fast. I mean, I'm not saying I want to go fast up here, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Full white knuckle engaged. Wow. Holy Jesus. Definitely yeet myself off the mountain here. Wow, look at this. Holy Jesus. That's beautiful, man. I think I can see New York from here. No, probably not.
You got the sign back there. It says welcome to. But, you know, my brethren, the Filipinos, are taking up all the spots.
All right, so we are leaving the observatory now. The top of the mountain, Mount Washington. Look at this.